Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Ads account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you check to see which YouTube channels are connected to your Google Ads account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to see which YouTube channels are connected to your Google Ads anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business through, that sometimes you're going to transfer ownership of various YouTube channels, and you don't want that to be connected to your YouTube ads. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Ads dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Ads account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to see which YouTube channels are connected to your Google Ads, here on the left side, you're going to click on Tools. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on Data Manager. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these two options at the top, and you want to click on Connected Products. Once you click on Connected Products, you're going to look down here until you see the YouTube logo. You can see that I have 7 YouTube channels linked to my Google Ads account. So in order to see which ones those are, off to the right here, click on Manage and Link. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see all of the channels that you've linked to your Google Ads account right here. So here you can go ahead and verify. If you want to remove any of them, just click on the unlink button here on the right. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to check which YouTube channels are linked to your Google Ads, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.